You've seen the big bag at Costco, but is it a good creatine? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to review a very popular creatine that you can find at Costco by LeanFit. In this video, we're going to talk about the benefits of creatine, LeanFit's ingredients, and whether it's actually a good option. But first, hi, my name is Katey. I'm a registered dietitian and certified personal trainer. My goal of this channel is to help you learn more about nutrition, fitness, and wellness so that you can be your best, whatever that looks like. I also love to do product reviews. If any products or topics you want me to cover, just let me know in the comments below. Alright, so let's get started. What is LeanFit? I've already reviewed LeanFit whey protein before and dove into the company there, so feel free to watch that video after this one to learn more about the company. But briefly, LeanFit is a Canadian company that was founded in 2002 by Richard Pierce. LeanFit is well known for their quality and standards, and because of that, it's been known as a popular supplement brand at Costco for a number of years now. Now, like I mentioned, I have reviewed LeanFit's whey protein before, and it's one that I personally enjoy taking, so if you want to watch that, feel free to, but they also have other products available, in particular their newer product, which is their creatine that we're going to talk about today. So let's dive into LeanFit Creatine's ingredients. So this is going to be pretty quick because the only ingredient in their product is creatine monohydrate. And if you're buying a creatine supplement, really that's the only ingredient that should be in it. So right away, we're off to a really good start. So you may be wondering, what is creatine monohydrate? First and foremost, creatine is one of the most researched supplements in the entire world, and it has been shown in hundreds and hundreds of studies to be an effective supplement. In particular, creatine is important for a lot of different things. It's important for single and repetitive explosive movements, better exercise performance during weightlifting, and as a result, increased muscle mass, also better strength, better recovery, and many other benefits that they're starting to look into through research. The reason why creatine is so effective is because when you take a creatine supplement, you're helping to replenish your natural creatine stores that are in your body. The thing to keep in mind with creatine is that it naturally exists within our cells, especially our muscle cells. And our body produces creatine on its own through three main amino acids: arginine, glycine, and methionine, which are produced in the kidneys and liver. You can also consume creatine through food, particularly animal-based products like meat. And then finally, you can take it through a supplement, which we're here talking about today. Basically, the way creatine works is that it binds with phosphate to create creatine phosphate. And creatine phosphate is important for an energy system known as the phosphagen energy system. Basically what happens is during really high intensity, rapid movement, we need a quick energy source to supply our muscles with. And so creatine phosphate exists within our muscle cells to donate a phosphate group to produce ATP, creating fast energy during those explosive movements. And so the more creatine that you have stored in your muscles, the more easily your body is able to utilize those creatine stores, and therefore have quicker energy and better performance. And research supports this. Tons of research studies have found that when you supplement with creatine or you consume a diet high in creatine, it has been shown to improve exercise performance in many different ways. So for example, running a little faster, jumping a little higher, or getting in an extra rep or two when you're strength training. So when you're looking for a creatine supplement, there are three main things you should be looking for. One, it contains just creatine monohydrate, nothing more. You don't need any fillers, you don't need any extra special ingredients, just creatine monohydrate is well studied. Generally speaking, you're also going to want to look for one that has at least 5 grams per serving. And finally, it has undergone third-party testing, which is very important for ensuring consistency and quality of the product. So when we take a look at LeanFit Creatine, we see that it has just creatine monohydrate, it has 5 grams of creatine per serving, and it is third-party tested. The other nice thing is that it doesn't have any flavorings, added sugars, or sweeteners. It's just pure creatine monohydrate unflavored, so you can add it to water or any other type of liquid you choose. Based on these parameters, LeanFit's creatine monohydrate is a very good option. With that being said, I will say that you do need to make sure that you're hydrating really well when you're taking creatine. So making sure you're drinking a decent glass of water with it. And also personally, I don't think it tastes the best. It's not that it tastes awful, I just kind of think it tastes like an unflavored powder. So what I personally do is I fill a cup with water and then just add a little bit of a splash of orange juice in and then mix in the creatine that way. It just helps me tolerate it a little bit better and it makes me more likely to want to keep taking it. You definitely don't have to do that, that's just my personal preference and I thought I'd share it with you. Okay, so does it work? So like we talked about, creatine is one of the most well-researched supplements out there. I want to point out that you definitely do not need to take a creatine supplement if you do not want to. And you don't need to take a creatine supplement to get in a good workout or to see results. You can do that without a creatine supplement. And honestly, for the average person who's new to exercise, I do not think taking a creatine supplement should be your first step. Instead, I would focus on doing a very consistent, solid workout routine and making sure that your diet is in check. Remember that you can also get creatine through foods as well, such as meats, but it's not nearly as much as you would get from an actual supplement. The reason why when you're starting a workout routine, I would not recommend a creatine supplement right away is because you already have a lot of things that you need to focus on. If you're new to exercise or you're starting a new training program, you just have to get used to actually doing it consistently and well. So I'd rather you focus your efforts on establishing a solid workout routine before you start adding in these different supplements and adding to the list of things now you have to do. Now, if you've been exercising for quite a while now and you feel like your results have started to plateau, this is where a creatine supplement may be worthwhile. And I do have to say that you should always run it by your healthcare provider before taking a new supplement. In terms of my personal experience with taking LeanFit's creatine, I will say that I have been enjoying it, and hence why I still have the bag. And no, I did not get paid to do this, I bought this myself. I've been taking the LeanFit creatine for about half a year now, and I will say I do think that my workouts have been a little bit better. The only thing I'll say though is that every time I exercise, I also get stronger and I also get better at doing the exercises. So it's a little bit of, is it me just getting better at working out, or is it the creatine doing that? Or maybe it's a little bit of both. One thing I do notice is that I do play volleyball once a week, and I do find that I have been able to jump a little bit better. I feel like I'm able to react quicker, and again, that could be me just adapting my skills, or it may also be the creatine that I've been taking. I want to point out that this is completely anecdotal and not scientific at all, but I did want to share my personal experience. Do I think it's life-changing? No, not really. But I do think that it could be helping a little bit. All right, so now let's talk about the cost. I would definitely recommend that you buy LeanFit Creatine from Costco or something similar. The reason why is because Costco offers a really, really big bag, and the cost is really reasonable. I don't remember the exact cost when I bought the creatine, but if you go on their website, a 1 kilogram bag is $44.99 Canadian. It says it's on sale, but let's use the higher end of the cost. So it's a 1 kilogram bag and each serving is 5 grams. So if you do the math on this, this means that this bag alone gives you 200 servings. And if you break down the cost for that, it means that each serving is 22 cents, which is very affordable for the average person. And compared to most supplements out there, this is well on the low end of cost. If you buy it from their website, and if you want to do that, you're more than welcome to, but if you buy it on their website, the containers are a lot smaller. They're about 300 grams in size, and they're much more expensive. So for 300 grams is $35.99. So this works out to about 60 cents a serving, so quite a bit more than if you bought the bigger bag from Costco. And you're gonna get about 60 servings per 300 gram container. So even if you did buy from their website, 60 cents a serving is relatively inexpensive compared to other supplements. But if you're trying to save money and you don't want to spend a lot, I would go with the Costco bag. All right, so let's share my overall thoughts. Honestly, overall, I think LeanFit is a really great company, at least from the products that I've reviewed so far, and this creatine is of high quality. It only contains creatine monohydrate, so that is great. It's in a well-studied form, and there aren't any other extra ingredients added to the product. It also comes in 5 gram servings, and you get a ton per bag. And finally, it is third-party tested, which again just helps to ensure consistency and quality of the product. I also like the bag itself. It has a nice zip, so it keeps it nice and airtight, and it's really convenient to use. Keep in mind that creatine is creatine at the end of the day. So if any product meets the parameters that I mentioned, so only creatine monohydrate, 5 gram servings, and is third-party tested, it doesn't really matter what company you buy from. Then it starts to become personal preference based, so cost, taste, things like that. So while LeanFit is definitely a great option, I'm sure there are other companies out there that probably provide a very similar product. Overall, I do think that it's a pretty good option if you are looking for a creatine powder. Remember, like I said, you do not need to take creatine to be healthy or to see results. So if you are concerned and you don't really want to take a creatine powder, you don't have to, and this is not a video telling you that you need to. This is just an option if you are interested. And with that, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments if you have any other products or topics you want me to cover. And if you did enjoy this video, I would love it if you would like and subscribe to my channel, because your support helps me reach more people like you. And I'll see you in the next video.